Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And on this screen you can swipe down from the top of it to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon like this. It will tell you silent mode on, and the icon will change the color. It will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, open the quick panel, tap on the icon, it will tell you silent mode off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you disable the mode. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.